Welcome to the gluten-free recipes. Today we are going to cook a creamy mushroom soup with croutons. Add about 3 liters of water to a pan, then add 2 potatoes, 1 onion, 2 carrots, half a celery and 800 grams of mushrooms. Boil them over medium heat, then add 2 teaspoons of pepper and 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of tomato paste and a couple of basil leaves. Boil the mixture for about 25 minutes. Transfer the vegetables to a food processor, then add some of the water in which they boiled. Cut 3 slices of bread into cubes and then add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Bake them for 15 minutes at 180 Celsius degrees. Boil the soup over low heat while adding some of the water in which the vegetables are boiled. Taste for salt and pepper and add some more if needed. Add 50 milliliters of vegan cooking cream and boil it for a couple more minutes. Enjoy!